So this just happened at Coachella.
All my tracks are double the tempo, and they're kind of unmixable.
That's Grimes, an electronic music artist, but more popularly known for naming weird baby names with Elon Musk. I still don't know how to pronounce this. Her problem was that her songs were playing at double tempo because she was using sync button.
So what the sync button does is basically if you have a song that's playing in the master at 126 BPM for example, and you have a slave track that's at 128 BPM, without moving the slider, I can just press sync and it will match to the BPM of the master.
It's an amazing tool, but there's a problem. So if you have a song at the master that's at 130 BPM and you have a slave track at 70 BPM. So if you were to use sync on the slave track, it would go up to 130 BPM just like the master, which would speed up your track a lot.
And that is what happened to Grimes.
So how do you solve this problem? Well, instead of using the sync button, you use the tempo slider to bring the BPM down to 65 BPM. Why 65 BPM? Because 65 times 2 is 130.
Quick maths.
Which will still make your transitions very smooth while beat matching. So what do you think? Should artists use the sync button